Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Escape from Tarkov on PC or laptop. So to download the following game, you have to first of all open up a browser and on the web address bar type in the link that is www.escapefromtarkov.com. I'll make sure to drop the link on the description box below as well. And when you type in the link, it's going to take you to the official page, which is going to look something like this. Now then, to begin with the process, go ahead and click on the registration. And to begin with the registration, you'll have to provide in all of the information that has been asked. For registering, you can also go ahead and press the purchase button, and then you could go ahead and tap on purchase. When you do that, it's going to take you to the pre-order section where you have to go ahead and enter in your payment source and then continue to checkout. With the checkout procedure, then it's going to take a couple of seconds or maybe an hour in order to get you the game. So when you're done installing or when you get the game, you could go ahead and create your account or register it, and then you can go ahead and enjoy the game. That's how you can go ahead and install Escape from Tarkov on PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.